Easter round the corner, a pot roast has been calling to me for a while now, but imagine the indulgence. Coffee and chili take on a whole new meaning in a pork belly pot roast. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. This pot roast employs various principles and hacks so that you don't have to stress and the cooking time is done in the oven. So into a bowl, to create that rub, that is that good dry rub, you take about a tablespoon of dark coffee powder. Into that you add a teaspoon or two of smoked red, beautiful red paprika powder. You add about 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, all crumpled up. Some herbs going in, some dehydrated herbs, that's parsley, some dehydrated thyme, and just allow it all to mix together. Season this dry rub with some celery sea salt, just to give it that added speck of flavor. And it's time to just put this on a kg of pork belly. While this rub is highly fragrant, I'm going to sprinkle half of it at the base of the pork belly, and I'm going to flip it over and sprinkle it on the other part. While we set this on the side for 15 minutes, it's time now to give a pot roast its true meaning with a bed of vegetables. 2 large carrots just cut into large shards, 3 leeks cut into 2-inch pieces, 2 red onions just quartered up, and my favorite, about 500 grams of baby potatoes to absorb all that pork fat from the belly. This gets a sprinkling of about 5 cloves of garlic, about 1 inch of ginger, and since I'm slightly messy, I'm going to season it with some Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt. Put my hand in just to massage it all together. Settle the base. Drizzle about 20 grams of melted butter to accentuate the flavor. You don't want it to burn out, so you want to add some water in. So about 50 mils to 75 mils of water going in, just so that it doesn't burn overall. And lastly, we're just going to pick up that pork belly, nestle it on top, and take all that dry rub and sprinkle it right on top. Even if it falls on the side, it's perfectly okay. Such a simple creation. Into a preheated oven this goes at 160 degrees centigrade for about 2 hours. Just put it in, forget about it, and enjoy a decadent pot roast this Easter. The 2-hour window gives you an opportunity to get a lot of work done while this bakes to perfection. This pot roast is a starry meal, ready to go right into. Simmer to perfection for a good 2 hours and the roast divine. This doesn't need a garnish at all, but I'm just going to mapleize it with about 20 mils of lovely maple syrup drizzled right on top. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. This divine pot roast is truly going to make you look like a star at your Easter fair. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.